stay home, stay safe. Are you worrying about because of this corona holidays? Your children, they may forget the concepts of maths or basic things and formulae. If you are worrying about that, just let us play with me the small game so they never forget. Okay, so here this game requirements just a piece of paper and sketch pen or normal marker or pens is enough. Okay, how to play this game? Put the papers into many pieces and write on the top of the one piece, write one number, that is 1 to 100 numbers you write. Okay, you don't want to fold that. Now these all pieces keep in a bowl or one box, and then you can ask them select an even number from 1 to 10, or arrange odd numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, and arrange prime numbers 1 to 50 or 1 to 100. So this is one way. Another thing, you can ask them to pick up one piece of one paper, then they will say the name of the number. The name of the number means that is belongs to even number, odd number, prime number, or composite number, or it is a natural number, whole number, whatever it is. I will explain again what are the numbers also, number systems also I will explain. So this is second one, and this is not only for numbers, for formulae also you can apply this. That is, in one piece of paper you write a formulae left side part, another piece of paper you write formulae right side part. Like 10 formulae at a time you keep in a bowl, and you select one formulae and tell them to select suppose you are selecting LHS part, they have to select the RHS part. Suppose you are selecting right hand part, then they should select left side part. So this is second thing. Okay, not second, three I say multiple options also. Suppose if we select 2, if they select 2, that 2 is natural number, whole number, these all number sets it is. Again 2 is an even prime and 2 is an even number also. Okay, so they will say all the names of that number. Say 9 is an odd number, 9 is a composite number. So like this they will say the names. Okay, first I will explain this all number sets, then let them go through once. After that you can play this per day at least half an hour. Okay, so then they never forget this formulae or numbers, or you can apply for anything. Okay, other subjects also you can play this game. Okay, so they never feel bored also, children. Okay, you can write in the color papers some designs, anything. Okay, so now I am going to explain the numbers system. So that is first number systems we have, that is natural numbers. Natural numbers starting with 1 to infinity, 1 2 3 up to infinity. Natural numbers denoted by capital N. Next, whole numbers denoted by capital W, and it starts with 0 to infinity, all positive numbers. Next, integers denoted by Z or I. So integers are the combination of positives, negatives and 0. Positives 1 to infinity, -1 to -infinity, and 0. These are the integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers denoted by Q, capital Q. So rational numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, P comma Q belongs to integers. Means here we can take all type of fractions, even negatives also. These all numbers comes under this. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers which are denoted by Q dash or S. Irrational numbers which are not rationals, that are called irrationals. Which are not rationals, that are called irrationals. So these are the types of examples. Next one, these rationals and irrationals together we called as real numbers. So real number is the combination of rational and irrational. Real number denoted by capital R. Even numbers. Even numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 2. So if you take from 1 to 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. Which are not divisible by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7 up and so on. Even these even odd numbers you can take negatives also. Okay. Next, prime numbers. These prime numbers very important. Usually children they will confuse here. Okay. And prime numbers. Prime numbers which are having one and itself factors. A number which is having one and itself factor, it is called only two factors, that is one and itself, that are called prime numbers. Means these numbers are not divisible by any other table, any other number other than one and itself, same number. Okay, so the examples starts with 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Composite numbers. Composite numbers means which are not primes, that are called composite numbers, which are having more than two factors. More than two factors, that are examples 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Here the important question is 2. 2 is even prime. This is an even number and prime number. So from even numbers only 2 is the even number. From prime numbers only 2 is even number. No other number is even. Remaining all are odd numbers except 2. So that we called as even prime. Okay. And 1 is neither prime nor composite. It is not a prime number. It is not a composite number. Okay. Next, co-primes or relatively primes. Co-primes or relatively primes. Co-primes or relatively primes means the numbers, those HCF is 1, HCF is 1, that are called co-primes or relatively primes. Co-primes or relatively primes examples, you can take any continuous two numbers, okay, consecutive two numbers, that is 2, 3, 10, 11 or 10, 17. Okay, that two are not divisible by the same table. Only one table that should be divisible. These are called co-primes or relatively primes. Next one, twin primes. Twin primes means the primes whose difference is 2. The primes whose difference is 2. These are called twin primes. So twin primes example 3, 5. 3, 5 difference is 2. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Okay. Next 11, 13. 5, 7 also you can take. So those whose difference is 2, those are called twin primes. Okay, this is, and not only this, you can ask for factors. You can play with factors also. Factors, you select one number and what are the factors of that. Suppose 6 you take. What are the factors of 6? What are the factors of 6? 6 factors. Factors means which divides that exactly. So 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 6 table. So these are the factors. So for this also you can apply this. Okay. And next one, multiples also. Multiples nothing but tables. Okay. So in this way, not only mathematics, you can apply for any other subject. I hope you are spending most of the time with your children and that time should not be wasted, and they should not be forgotten, whatever the concepts of the subjects. So just these are the few techniques to remember that. Okay, I hope you will follow this.